So the Ride for Equity it's a 7-day ride, 377 miles across the state. So we ride from Detroit to Mackinac the week before the Mackinac Policy Conference every year. And it's an effort to raise awareness for our cause, as well as a fundraiser for the organization and the work that we do. One of the things that we do in several cities over the course of those 7 days is we add community conversations that we call Speak for Yourself. And we invite people from some of the cities to come out and have honest conversations with us about what does it mean to be good neighbors to one another, cross boundaries and borders, but also honest conversations about equity and how that shapes out and plays out in our role in creating it.
Right. So, wow, that's kudos to that, because that is amazing, an amazing thing to do. So, to change gears a little bit, you are a businessman in Southeast Michigan. You are a CEO of a company that does wonderful things for other businesses in Detroit. So now I want to get your opinion as someone who has a unique perspective and experience on things. So when we're talking about Black business in particular, a lot of times in the conversation, people will point to places like Atlanta, Houston, as being bastions of Black business and Black excellence and leadership and all these kinds of things. Do you feel like Detroit gets its proper recognition in that conversation when it comes to the Black entrepreneurship, Black business, and Black business environment here in Detroit and Southeast Michigan?
I would say first, huge shout out to Atlanta and Houston.
Absolutely.
Right? Like they're doing some amazing things. And, when we are talking about Detroiters, it's no slight on anything that's happening in some of those spaces. But I think that, one of the things that we need to do is make sure that we're making it easier for the Black entrepreneurs here.
The Black Leaders Detroit Ride for Equity takes off at 8 a.m. from University of Detroit Mercy on May 21st. You can find more details at blackleadersdetroit.org.